Hello friends and welcome back. In this lecture, we're configuring our Java development environment. First of all, we need to download JDK. So let's do that. Go to internet browser and search for JDK download and go to the first result and scroll down a little bit. Now we can download JDK for our operating system. Select your operating system. In this panel, we have to accept this agreement and download installer. After downloading this, we have to install JDK. So now we have the exe file. Double click on it and this window will open. Press next and we will see this window. Note that this is the location where JDK file install. Then this window will appear saying that Java development kit successfully installed. Now press close. Now you want to set up the environment variables. So basically we want to let our computer know where to find JDK so that you are able to develop Java programs. So let's do that. Open this PC and go to properties. This window will open. Press on advanced system settings and you will see this. Now over here press on environment variables and in the system variables we want to press new and variable name press java underscore home exactly like this. Now the value we will get the installation path of our JDK. So see program files java and here is our JDK. So copy this path and paste here. Now press OK and now we have see that this variable ready. Now I want to search for a variable called path. Select it and press edit and I want to press new. So over here I want to type this exactly like this and now just press OK. Press OK. Press OK. Now to make sure that everything is working, go to your start and search for CMD and open this application. Over here type java dash version just like this and you should see this message. This indicates that Java is installed and you are ready to start creating Java programs. Now we want install IntelliJ IDE, which is the IDE we will use in this course. Go to your browser and search as IntelliJ IDE download. Go for first result. Now over here select your operating system and download exe file. After downloading this, double click on it and this window will open. Press on next and press on next and if you want you can create a desktop shortcut and this window will appear. Press on install and this window will appear. Do not run the IntelliJ. We will see this in upcoming videos. So that's all for this section guys. I will see you in next video. Thank you.